So today we're taking a look at two robot vacuums in the Narwal Freo line, the Z Ultra and the X Ultra. Many of you have been asking if the higher end features on models like the Z Ultra are worth the extra cost. To answer that, we'll be doing a head-to-head comparison, testing things like suction power and mopping ability in real-world situations. We'll see if the Z Ultra's advanced navigation using those dual RGB cameras truly outperforms the X Ultra and its more basic sensor system. No marketing hype here, just a straightforward assessment to help you decide which model is right for you. So these two particular vacuums represent a significant leap forward in how we approach home maintenance. The Freo Z Ultra comes with a redesigned base that's packed with new features. It's not just a charging station anymore, it's a full-fledged cleaning hub. This base can auto-empty the dustbin on the robot, and the bag can hold up to 120 days worth of dust. This is a huge improvement over earlier models. It has upgraded self-cleaning and drying functionality that now supports AI adaptive 113 to 167 degree hot water cleaning. It also has a brand new electrolysis feature that removes 99% of bacteria in the pipes for a more sterile cleaning. In comparison, the X Ultra's base is still pretty impressive. It has a very similar design, but in some ways more minimalistic, which many people may prefer. It's also slightly smaller, but the difference is honestly negligible. Both bases feature circular LCD displays at the top for status and control. As for features, it doesn't quite match up to the bigger sibling here. Unfortunately, the X Ultra's base does not support self-emptying of the dustbin, so you won't find an area for a dust bag. Instead, you'll have to empty the dustbin on the robot itself. For that, you have two different options, a traditional style bin and a compression bag style bin that's disposable, both of which offer up to 7 weeks of dust collection. When it comes to specs, the Z Ultra really shines here. It boasts a powerful 12,000 Pascal suction, which is a significant step up from the X Ultra's 8,200 Pascal. This extra power translates to better cleaning performance, especially on carpets and in crevices where dust tends to hide. Both vacuums support Narwal's zero tangling floating brush, but the Z Ultra gets the updated ultra quiet zero tangling floating brush 2.0, but they are interchangeable. After running a few tests, the Z Ultra is a better performer overall when it comes to vacuuming. Not only does the increased suction power improve cleaning performance, but the new navigation system makes it slightly more efficient. That said, despite the Pascal differences between the two sounding like a lot, when it comes to everyday use, they'll most likely perform identical. It's only when you start running the deep cleaning modes where you'll see the difference between these two. Now, outside of the suction power, the other changes do have a big impact on day-to-day usability. The Z Ultra's larger dust capacity means you'll need to empty it less often, saving you time and hassle. Its superior navigation means it's less likely to get stuck or miss spots, resulting in a more thorough cleaning. While both robots feature AI Dirt Sense, the Z Ultra comes with AI Dirt Sense 2.0. This allows it to adjust its cleaning strategy based on the type of mess it encounters. It can switch between vacuuming and mopping as needed, and it also separates dry material from liquids better than the X Ultra. When comparing the mopping performance of the Narwal Freo Z Ultra versus the Freo X Ultra, each model brings unique strengths to the table. The Freo X Ultra impresses with its spinning triangular mop pads that adapt to different floor types, delivering a thorough clean. Its dual 4-liter water tanks allow for longer cleaning sessions without interruption, and it operates quietly, making it ideal for everyday use. The Freo Z Ultra, however, steps things up with hot water mop washing and advanced obstacle avoidance, which makes navigating cluttered spaces a breeze. It handles sticky messes a bit better since it will frequently revisit the base to clean its mop pads. Both models perform exceptionally well, but the Z Ultra offers advanced features that shine in tougher cleaning situations. While the X Ultra is still an effective cleaner, it doesn't quite match the advanced features found on the Z Ultra. This is particularly noticeable when it comes to obstacle avoidance and suction power, which can limit the performance on more challenging surfaces. Alright, so speaking of navigation and obstacle avoidance, let's break it down. The Freo Z Ultra comes equipped with an advanced navigation system that uses dual RGB cameras. This setup allows it to create a detailed map of your home and identify over 120 different types of objects. On the other hand, the X Ultra relies on more basic sensors for navigation. While still effective, it doesn't have the same level of object recognition. This difference really shows when these vacuums face tricky obstacles. In my testing, the Z Ultra tends to expertly maneuver around deliberately placed obstacles without getting stuck. It can navigate around furniture legs, cables, and other common household items with ease. But here's where it gets really interesting. The Z Ultra's AI-powered obstacle detection can handle moving pets and objects. If it spots your furry friend in its cleaning path, it marks the area as uncleaned and will come back to it later. If you drop something in front of the robot, the same thing happens. This smart feature ensures your whole home gets cleaned without disturbing your pets or your kids. The X Ultra, while competent, sometimes struggles with these challenges. I've personally experienced minor collisions and cleaning interruptions when it encounters certain obstacles. Of course, these are few and far, but they definitely happen. The impact on cleaning efficiency is clear. The Z Ultra's advanced navigation, combined with its little furry friend that attaches to the side, allows it to clean right up to the edge of your baseboards and walls, leaving less dirt behind. It covers more ground and misses fewer spots compared to the X Ultra. This means you're getting a more thorough clean with less effort on your part. That said, the X Ultra is no slouch and should be more than adequate for most people. Maintenance and longevity are two of the most important things to know before buying a robot vacuum. Both the Narwal Freo Z Ultra and Freo X Ultra are designed with convenience and durability in mind, but they differ slightly in their maintenance needs. The Freo X Ultra offers versatility with both a traditional dustbin and disposable dust compression bags, allowing users to choose between quick emptying and a cost-saving manual approach. Its mop pads are automatically washed and dried at the base station, minimizing hands-on upkeep. On the flip side, the Freo Z Ultra boasts a self-emptying base for a more hands-off approach to vacuuming, and it enhances maintenance ease with its hot water mop washing feature. Also, the Z Ultra's advanced obstacle detection helps prevent damage, reducing long-term wear and tear. In terms of hands-on maintenance, the Freo X Ultra may require slightly more interaction due to its dust collection options, but that said, both models share similarities, including self-cleaning mop systems and high-quality components designed for longevity. Routine care is still necessary for both. This includes replacing the HEPA filters about every 7 weeks and cleaning sensors about every 2 weeks. However, the Z Ultra's design minimizes these tasks, allowing for a more hands-off experience. Now, when it comes to smart home integration and app control, both the Narwal Freo Z Ultra and Freo X Ultra offer a seamless user experience, but the Z Ultra brings some standout features to the table. Both vacuums are compatible with popular voice assistants like Amazon's platform, Google Assistant, and Siri, making voice-activated commands a breeze. Through the Narwal app, you can schedule cleanings, monitor progress in real time, and customize settings like suction power and mopping intensity. Additionally, both models let you define no-go zones and manage cleaning areas with precision. What sets the Z Ultra apart is its exclusive integration of dual RGB cameras, allowing live video streaming directly inside the app. This feature gives you full visibility of your robot's navigation and cleaning progress in real time, adding an extra layer of control. Plus, you can use the robot as an additional security camera in your home. Combined with advanced AI-driven obstacle detection, the Z Ultra app provides detailed maps of cleaning paths and obstacles, enabling fine-tuned customization for specific zones. In contrast, while the Freo X Ultra offers robust app functionality, it lacks the live camera view and enhanced AI features, making the Z Ultra a clear winner for those who want deeper interaction and oversight of what's going on with their vacuum. Determining which model you should buy is a bit tricky. Personally, I would only buy the X Ultra if it was on sale. For instance, at the time of this video, it's $550 off, making it over $400 cheaper than the Freo Z Ultra. This makes it an easy recommendation to most people. However, when comparing retail pricing of the Freo X Ultra, it's only about $100 cheaper than the Z Ultra. The amount of features you gain just by spending an extra $100 makes the Z Ultra a much easier recommendation, and if I'm being honest, a bargain. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs, budget, and current pricing. If you're after cutting-edge tech and convenience, the Z Ultra is obviously the way to go, especially if there are no current sales. For those seeking reliable performance at a lower cost, the X Ultra remains an excellent option at its discounted rate. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Let me know if you have any questions down below. And of course, I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.